What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Me say, come to Canada, they say. Come to Canada with your family. It's the best place for families. It's the best place to work. It's the best place to live. Which part? Which part? With Prime Minister, fail we. Justin Trudeau is a big fail to Canada. And yes, your goons them can't come for me now, because me no afraid. Let me tell you something, especially to my Jamaicans. You see, if you don't get the opportunity to go to Canada, America, or England, me beg you no do. Choose America and England. You don't come to Canada. Because this Prime Minister go put you to work like dog and you don't go get nothing from it. If Canadians live here in this place and I move out, what says we will come here? In 20 odd years, me never see this country run like this yet. Justin Trudeau in for 8 years, and it's the 8 worst years I've ever seen as a leader. If you used to pay $1,500 for the basic mortgage, it is now $35,000 to $4,000. So $3,500 to $4,000. That's a basic mortgage. If you used to rent for $700, it's now $21 because rent tripling at this. Your paychecks stuck. No gone nowhere. Minimum wage $15. How you fi use that pay for stuff? If you are minimum wage right now, God go with you in a this. They say this Prime Minister have 3 mansions right now, 3 to 4. His chef live in a one. Him live in a one, he have one on the lake and he's thinking about making another one. While people downtown Toronto, thousands, hundreds of people, they're on the street right now with pitney. Refugees went to Kina this. Students went to come here. They are Toronto right now. Yes, that's some I know we had. See there? At this me have on the hat. What will happen when winter come? Who have the worst winter like Toronto? What got to them people then? Prime Minister, people are work overtime in this penalty, lick them left, right and center. Me have one friend, well, attack and a complain the other day, having wife and he pick them. And the man worked 30 hours overtime. 30 hours overtime to make ends meet. And that come to $1,600. And Trudeau take $1,000 and give the man $600. 1,000, you know? You know, so make him take you 600 and you know? He take you $1,000. So, that why I tell the man saying if you go rob and thief? Or if you go live a door, join the people them where they are Toronto. And then you say Canada is a family country. Family my ass. Family where? Can family survive here? The mother and the father have to out there do 2 jobs each for surviving at this. So what family there? And a separation that your wife right to separate from you. She never do a better thing because for me to make no chance so I couldn't stand you neither. Let me tell you my Jamaican people, if you have a next opportunity, don't take Canada. Rough out of this. Calgary, we're even a little bit better over here. So people they don't depend 10th road and ask the government to think here. In take with taxpaying money and instead they go yes and this stuff to go fight war. Right? The same people them in a film country are dead. The same people them in a film country are dead for needs and wants. Live a road. International student in just stop them from coming to our country now. So if you spend up all your money for coming as an international as a student, God go with you. Because let me tell you something about students. Students over here in a room, a share a room with 3 other people on one mattress and have to pay $500 a month. Facts. So in a way, I have to say thank God in stop uno. And uno work, uno hours to try to pay for uno school and if I go under them disadvantage. Them something are free. And enough of uno go say, so why you still here? Why you there? Can't have 20 something years me 3 pitney them. Nothing in this world want me back in Canada but me 3 pitney them would have gone long time. Ask me husband, ask me mother, ask me friend them. And me 3 pitney them have my back here. 18, 16, 14. One I got college now, one I got done high school in 2 years, and the next one I got start high school. And that keep me back here. That's why me no gone yet. And if you come here, you never make nothing of yourself before, you not gonna make now. And never see cost of living this high. Inflation. Groceries, you can't buy. You have to buy just what you need for your week. You can't buy grocery again. Come like a big shop where you go, like where they are Jamaica, go buy pound of flour, pound of sugar, pound of rice, pound of chicken. Big rotted shop where you go. Can't buy grocery again. Cannot buy grocery again. You can't go eat with your family. You can't. You cannot afford it. Statistics show say if you now make $40 an hour in Toronto, you can't pay your rent. I'm sure to God a few people make $40 in this. Minimum wage is $15. What happened to those people? What happened to those people that doesn't have a partner? May God go with you. Because you're going to need his health and his strength. And with Prime Minister sit down and alright with this. If me never vote a day in my life, me tell you say me a vote to get you out. And all the non-voters, I would suggest you go out there and strongly vote to get this man out. I strongly suggest this. Because done Canada done. Yeah. So now, instead of student I cast at this, I take his student visa, then must stop them, and who they are, he must deport some of them. Now you tell me. You tell me, come to Canada, they say. I think the worst thing me ever do, I have me pick them in Canada and grow them here. I think that's the worst thing I've ever done. But then again, God knows best. Because of them time I foot here now. Because me no bill for this separation here. Me no bill for brother. But me have to tough it out for me pick them. Me no bill for this separation. I don't bill for it. God know me can't manage it. Me no bill for it. I would have run a long time. But I can't run leave my kids. I'm not that type of mother. When you get old, you know, no one of the fear retire, you know. What you going to do? You don't have the money for going to nursing home. What you going to do? Guy shelter with 10,000 other people? Big up yourself. You understand? God go with me.
And you hear where this lady has some people, she has speak out, and honestly, you can't stop someone from speak their mind, you understand? Share them thoughts, you know what I mean? And them say, who feels it, knows it. But me personally, I want to give my take onto the whole thing, you understand? And based on what she has say about Canada and the Prime Minister, and you know what I mean, she'd recommend you if you get the chance to go America, England, Canada, she'd tell us, say, yo, you better you go England or America and don't go Canada, you know what I mean? But my thoughts to the whole thing is my people, and I want to say this as I say, who feels it knows it, and I can't stop her from expressing her feelings and how she feel, but it seems like she be living in Canada for a while, basically based on what me hear, so like over 20 years, you know what I mean? So basically she's a Canadian citizen. Because you know, so Canada is one of the easiest countries for turn citizen, like after 3 years you can turn citizen and thing over there, you know what I mean? Canada have a lot of opportunities and well, if it's something you understand, but people, I know a lot of people who live in Canada, Jamaicans, a lot, and I can tell you this, I have family who live in Canada, and you know what I mean? Me always say them, so yo, it's a good place to come and this and that. But as I tell people, and everyone are going to have the same feelings and everyone are going to have the same thoughts. Because everyone, their situation is different, their responsibility is different. You understand? So something may good for your man this and they may not good for your next man. But what I want to say is my viewers and subscribers, and I would tell anybody this, so anybody at Jamaican in the Caribbean, you watch it. We all know saying that the Caribbean, we have some tough and we have some rough times. You understand? Not every day things are go good, not every day things are go great. See? And me always hear these things from me saying, because from me I look at you to come up with people. We always hear about foreign and you know what I mean? We always see people travel, go overseas and then come and then build up them place, have them house, have this, have that, my people. So when me see things like this personally, my viewers and subscribers, and when me that say, yo, to anybody, you understand, if you get the chance, figure out Canada, and me there at Jamaica, and you get a chance, you get an opportunity to figure out Canada, I would have say, yo, take the chance, take the opportunity. You understand? Go over there. You have your plan, you know, you have your aim and you have your goal and you know where you want. You know what I mean? Nobody make these things discourage you from go Canada. Because if me personally, they at a spot at Jamaica right now, they are Barbados, they are Trinidad, and me get a chance, get an opportunity to go Canada, my people, I'm going to take it. And me, I'll be honest to my people. Because in this time, things rough, things tough. You understand? And over there, as me tell people, me always hear people say this, say, if even people live in America, then cry out. People live in England, cry out. You know what I mean? So anyway, you're going to find problems and people, you're going to find some things not work out for anybody. But me can't discourage people and say, yo, don't go. You understand me, understand our situation, and me understand how she feel and this. And me, a lot of people speak out about Canada. But as me say, you suppose you are going to Canada to be a teacher. Suppose you are going to Canada, yeah. You know what I mean? You have your different mindset, you have a different goal. You know what I mean? So you must know where you want, because people, I live in another country, you understand? I don't live in the big part of the world. I live in a little small island, but still yet, you know what I mean? It's rough and it's tough, things expensive. So me have to budget myself, you understand? Me have to try to make sacrifice and save a little dollar. You know what I mean? And I can guarantee and say, it's a better living than when I do a yard now and I do a 9 to 5 and I get the minimum wage there. So if you can go somewhere, my people, and it's all about growth, you know. You start somewhere. So my encouragement for young people is, if you get the opportunity and you get a chance to go to Canada, take it. You see me, I say, take it. Me can't say nothing and disrespect or say about, because I never been in Canada. I don't face the situation, but all me would have said to people, you get opportunity in a life, you especially in the Caribbean and Jamaica, to better your life. Take these chances, take these opportunities. Go for yourself, see what go on. If you can't work with it, then you decide what you want. You understand? As I say, people, I'm not going to discourage her, go against what she's saying and her feelings, but that's on her side. But for me personally, I'm not going to be disrespectful and say, yo, Canada Prime Minister good. I don't know this man. I've never been to Canada before. You understand? So all I have to say, you know what I mean? Go for yourself. Make your choices, make your goal, and then, you know what I mean, you decide what you want. You know what I mean? That's it, them people. So, you don't know, this is my take to the whole thing, and I have to say, my lady, I wish things work out for you, and I wish, you know what I mean, you see a different, you know, things over there in Canada where different opportunity, different growths come your way, and I wish you all the best. But as I'm saying, I have to encourage my viewers and my subscribers, because me want to see better for my youths them. You understand? So me can't tell them, say, if you get a chance to go over there, don't go, because Canada, England, you know what I mean, and America, those are 3 top countries in the world where you find immigrants like from Jamaica and the Caribbean would have loved to go and get a chance, get an opportunity, whether for work, whether for education, whether for a better life and a better living. So I could not discourage them and say no. But I understand when I say yes, Canada, it better you go America or go England. But if you do check the ratio, you find people in America who credit, you find people in England who credit and say the same thing about the president or the prime minister. So anywhere you go, you're going to find the same thing. It's all about what you want and what is your aim. You understand? So you don't know the thing about people. This is the attacking boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. I remember enough people are one team, a one dream, and a one scheme. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Blessing and stay safe and just do the right thing. Afta.